Okay, so the first problem is how many groups. It says you have 4 cups of flour, 2/3 cup is needed for one batch. How many batches can be made? So from the problem, we can identify that we have 4 cups, um, and 2/3 cup is needed for one batch. Um, so that was given, and then we want to find how many batches. Okay, in order to do this, we're going to write out 4 multiplied by 2/3, and that's going to change to 4/1 divided by 3/2, and that equals to 12/2, which equals 6, and that's the batches. Now we're going to use a table to represent this. So 2/3 cup is equal to one batch. So 4 cups is equal to 6 batches. And then now we're going to use a double number line to represent it as well. I personally think the double number line helps a lot better for a visual. So the amount is the cups, and then we're going to have groups, which are the batches. Okay, so the amount we had 0, and then 2/3, 4/3, 6/3, and I'm just breaking these up into thirds, and then okay, and then so we have 0. So 6 batches, and then 4 cups is what we would use. So the second one, the how many in each group, it says you have 9 cookies, 2/3 is 1 serving. How many cookies are in 1 serving? So we have the 9 cookies. The 2/3 is the 1 serving, that's the groups. And then what are we finding? The cookies, because it says how many cookies are in 1 serving, so finding. Okay, and to figure this out, we're going to use a math drawing. Okay, I'm going to draw out 9 cookies. And then I'm going to break them up into thirds. Okay. And the red's going to be the 2/3. I color 2/3 into this cookie. And for all 9 cookies. And you need to remember when you're dividing the when you're dividing up whatever you have, like cookies, cups, whatever, you need to remember that you need to use every single part of it. Okay, so we're gonna use the black also represents the 2/3. The red and the black work better. Okay, and from here we're gonna group it together. So that's because it said that 2/3 is 1 serving. So that's 2/3. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, and this part left over is the 1/3. So according to the picture, 13 and 1/3 cookies is in one serving.